2009 is International Year of Astronomy, and to celebrate that, amateur astronomers all over the world are going to be taking their own telescopes out for their communities to look through. Hundreds of thousands of them will be all doing the same thing, many times on the same night. And how cool is that? We've got two ladders, we've got two telescopes, eyepieces, mirror back there, name tags, and flyers.
Flyers?
Yep.
Okay.
We're heading to Library Park in Monrovia. It's our regular star party site. When I first made my first telescope, I pretty much used my telescope out on my back deck. Then one day a friend of mine asked me if I would help him at a star party at a school. Pretty soon I found that that was my favorite thing to do, was to talk to people who were wanting to know what we were looking at. We want to bring the telescopes to the people, and we kind of like the idea that we're just hopping out of cars and setting up telescopes.
We call it urban guerrilla astronomy. We set up in the middle of the cities. We set up under bright lights where people have the impression that you can't do any astronomy. And when you give people a look at the moon or at Jupiter or Saturn, the brightest things in the sky, and they're amazed, you can actually see them from the city, and you can. It gives them a little personal connection to the universe. Come see the moon in the telescope.
I can see the white.
Can you see the white?
Yeah.
That's the moon.
Hi, Mallory. How old are you?
3.
You're 3. Did you look inside the telescope? What'd you see?
The moon.
Yeah, their enthusiasm really comes across, and that's what's
Definitely.
so wonderful, that they're extending themselves to get everybody to join in their enthusiasm for the stars, and that's really great.
You can set up telescopes in your backyard. You can see everything better in your backyard, but it's not the same as if you can share it with other people. They can look through the telescopes, and then you get the reaction.
Pretty hard to see.
You see anything?
Look at this.
A star party is a great way to celebrate International Year of Astronomy, but you can also connect with volunteer networks from NASA like the Solar System Ambassadors, Night Sky Network, and Saturn Observation Campaign. All of those people have telescopes and lots of enthusiasm to share with you. What better way can you celebrate International Year of Astronomy than looking at the moon and planets through a telescope?